Why can't I post more than 10 pictures on Instagram? I'm going to tell you why Instagram won't let you post more than 10 pictures in a single post and what you can do about it. Instagram recently increased the limit to 20 photos or videos per post, but this update isn't available to everyone yet. If you're still stuck at 10, here's why. First, check if your Instagram account is updated. New features, including the 20 photo limit, may only work on the latest version. Next, clear the app's cache or restart your phone. If the issue persists, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram from processing a full carousel. Another reason, Instagram rolls out features gradually. Even if others have the 20 photo limit, it may not be available to your account yet. Also, check if your account has any restrictions. Go to settings, account status to see if Instagram has placed any limitations. If all else fails, reinstall the app or check Instagram's help center for updates on feature availability.